Here's a 2015 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. Features include V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, active grille shutters, external memory control, two 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.